Want to unlock a treasure trove of deals and freebies on Temu? Then let's dive into how you can bring new users to the platform and reap the rewards. First, open your Temu app and navigate to the U tab, usually located at the bottom center of your screen. This is your personal hub within Temu. Next, look for the Refer and Earn or a similar promotional banner highlighting their referral program. Tap on it to access your unique referral link. Now, this is where the magic happens. Copy your referral link and share it with your friends and family through your favorite social media platforms, messaging apps, or even email. When crafting your referral message, be sure to emphasize the benefits for new users, such as welcome discounts, free gifts, or exclusive coupons. Make it irresistible. Once your friends sign up using your link and make their first purchase, you'll earn rewards, which can include cash, coupons, or other exciting perks. Keep an eye on Temu's ongoing promotional incentives, like flash sales and free shipping offers, and highlight these in your referral messages to further entice new users. By leveraging your network and promoting Temu's amazing deals, you can easily attract new users, maximize your rewards, and build your user base. So, start sharing and start earning.